First of all, it is the season of grow business, and I try to bring for you very beautiful and interesting design and try to give you a useful tips. So let's creative bottle craft recycling ideas. Bottle planters, cut plastic bottles in half and use them for indoor plants. Decorate with plants, jute rope, or glitter. Bottle lamps and lanterns. Glass bottles with LED lights or fairy lights inside. Great for home decor or festive events. So, next is bottle wall hanging. Flatten plastic bottles or cut into shaped flowers, butterflies. Used for wall art or wine chimes. Kitchen and storage jars. Reuse bottles or storage for pulses, spices, or candies. Decorate lids with fabric, clay, or beads. Bottle vase. Wrap with jute, burlap, paint, design, or sticks mirrors. Can be used as a centerpiece for dining table. Next is kid crafts. Makes animals, cartoons, characters, or pen holders. Perfect for school projects. Business growth tips. Bottle craft recycling. First of all, you should target market, home decor lovers, event organizer, wedding, birthday, eco-friendly products buyers. Products range: DIY kits, bottle paint brushes, ready-made decorative bottles, customized order names, cards, event themes, marketing ideas, Instagram reels, before and after bottles transformation, YouTube tutorial 5 easy bottle recycling ideas, sale on Etsy, Facebook Marketplace, or local craft fairs. Extra tips: always use eco-friendly material, jute, fabric, burlap, natural colors. Create set pair of bottle vases matching decor. Brand your products with tags like made from 100% recycled bottle and many more like this. So you can get beautiful and easy to make ideas from my video, and I try to bring best and beautiful designs for you. So next is bottle curtains and room dividers. Cut the bottom parts of plastic bottles into flower shapes. Join them so join them with the thread or wire to make your craft beautiful, and join them with thread or wire to make colorful curtains. Bottle garden lights. Place solar lights inside transparent bottles. Can be used outdoor in the garden or on balconies. Bottle bird feeder. Cut small holes in a plastic bottle, insert wooden spoons as perches, and fill with bird seeds. So, bottle candle holder. Cut glass bottles in half and use as holder for candles or tea lights. Paint or frost them for a stylish look. Bottle jewelry and accessories. Cut and shape plastic bottles into bangles, earrings, or pendant. Lightweight and eco-friendly fashion items. Bottle clock. Flatten bottle with heat process and fit clock mechanism. Unique handmade product for wall decor. Bottle chandelier. Use multiple glass bottles with LED bulbs to make a stunning hanging light, ideal for restaurant, cafe, or rustic homes. Product bundling. Sale sets. Bottle plus 3 bottles vases plus 1 bottle lamp. Work well for gifting and events. Eco-friendly branding. Use slogan like recycle with love, or turning waste into art. Customer love sustainable products. Workshops and DIY classes. Host craft workshop in a school's community center or online. Sale kits along with tutorials. Collaboration partner with cafes, restaurant, or even decoration. Offer customized bottle crafts for their interiors. Festive and seasonal designs, Christmas bottles, snowmen, Santa lights. Eid Diwali bottles, lanterns. Valentine Day heart-shaped bottle decor. Anniversary or many more ideas you can take in your mind.